Bonjour tout le monde. Already episode 13 of this project. Before to work on the A pillars, as I shown you before in the previous video, I would like to finish the two holes on every side, and I found an idea how to process. So let's go. I have to make a hole here to cross this big ball to hold the subframe. And it must be in the same axle than these two existing holes. If I'm like this or like that, exaggerated obviously, I'm dead. And I found this way to do. I put 3 magnets with the good angle and look like it's going straight. So I will put paint now all around the bolt. Here is the result. So I will measure the center by making a cross. It's the end. Et voilà. Oh là là, c'est pas droit. Oh là là, la catastrophe. Pas droit? Oh merde. Really wrong settings. I don't know how I did that, but I did it. I don't understand, I don't understand. Because I used the same technique to set with the magnets, then at the opposite side. Look like this side will be okay, but I'm not 100% sure. Ta-tang. Am I wrong? Am I right? I'm wrong. Eh merde. You know what? I will go to bed. It's better. I'm tired today. As you can see, it's missing ½ centimeter. So my technique wasn't good and I must to recover that. There's 2 options. Or I cut again around, weld again, and potentially we'll make another mistake. So I don't want. I bought a metal milling cutter and I'm waiting for it. And I will grind all around here to be able to cross the bolt. And if ever the hole is too much big to support this spacer, I will add a little weld, dot weld down to block, by hoping it will be enough strong. I know it's not conventional way, I know it's not professional way, but I don't want to do it again. Handmade scissor. No choice, I must look up more because there is rust under, there is rust here, so I don't want to let, it's useless to work if I let rust running along. See? That's why I wanted to cut more. As you can see, it's attacking a bit everywhere. I will cut here. Now it's difficult to cut along here. I will replace this piece of metal because I cannot go deeper. I cannot. So I will fix like that by hoping it's enough. I will scratch well and treat with the anti-rust. I will clean very well also here. Well, in French we say je suis dans la merde. For short, it's a catastrophe. I don't know if you can see well on the bottom there is many rust, and the only way to try to fix that would be to remove the dashboard, and it's what I will do now. I cannot get the rust from here or even from inside the engine bay, so no choice than to remove the dashboard. If I was a normal guy, it would be better to abandon the project, because where the rust is situated, it's very, very structural and inaccessible. But I'm definitively not a normal guy, and I will try to fix that as much as I can, because I love this car and I want to see her on the road again. And again, if I was a normal guy, I would start by try to repair that, then to almost finish all the rust surrounding before to check if it's repairable or not. But nobody's perfect. Allez, au travail. Sorry guys, I will not explain well how to remove the dashboard because I don't know how to do. But if my video can help anyone to do the same on his car, so it's already much. I will remove my radio unit. By the way, I will let a link here about how to install, or I mean, how to update your original radio by aftermarket one. Hello, driver side. Flex. No choice than to remove the instrument cluster. So, stop.
Or we pass by along Kudaw.
If we can.
Yeah. Hello.
If we do like that, we will tight the wire.
Ah.
I'm scared.
We want to put the seat la to
No.
put in the seat. I think it's better the seat wallet because it's soft. I would take. It's better because it's larger.
You know what?
Huh?
I have to remove this plate. I did not show so much when we removed the dashboard because it's difficult to manage the camera, the dashboard, the tabouret, the cushion, the wiring and everything. I really recommend you to remove the steering wheel to cross the dashboard, because there is wiring, this yellow, as you can see, it's crossing until the engine bay, so I don't want to remove anything from there, so that's why we put a side on that way. Now I must remove more to get access to the rust there, but the worst is done. Almost. What I have to repair is here. So I have to remove the foam. I have to remove this module. And we're good. I think many of you know that tape, but honestly it's magical. It's a tape for the wiring loom, made by Tesa. It's really strong. In fact, the most difficult piece of rusted metal that I have to change is obviously hidden, and it's this one, and it's connected to here. I don't know if you can see, and inside the car it's connected here. So to change this piece of metal, I must to remove this. I will cut to change anyway. I have to remove this to have access to this piece of metal. I have to cut here also, but I absolutely don't want to touch this. I mean, at least I don't want to unweld, because it's for the bonnet lock and I don't want to unset anything. So if ever I have difficulties to get access there, I will cut along, at least as much as I can, and I will replace after. I don't know if you understand me well, but anyway, you will see slowly by slowly. Alors, I will cut along here, and once again here. Like here, I must let a gap to be able to weld again. I don't know honestly why they put this piece of rubber, and there is a clip. Now to finish, I need to cut where is the light, following the light, and I can remove all this part. Oh, voila, this puzzle of rust is so precious. Yeah. Next step, I must rebuild that. You see, I have this small section to cut. Where is the light? But I don't know if I will do now or if I'm waiting to set everything all around. Let's see. I don't want to think about now. For now we'll clean all around to feel me better. Like that I can sleep well tonight. I finished to clean. I put on tire rust. And I'm ready to cut the steel to rebuild this section, but you will see that in the next video, because if I continue to film, this episode 13 will be 1 hour more. Okay, so see you in the next time. Hope you enjoy my work. Please subscribe and likes and share and everything, because it's helping the channel. The last video, episode 12, was watched about 1,500 times in less than 1 week. It's a record for me. It's nothing for some, but for me it's a record. So please continue, guys. I really appreciate, and see you in the next time. Cheers, bye bye, au revoir les amis.